Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As Shravan Masam started according to Hindu calendar, and one of the most auspicious festivals called Varalakshmi Puja or Varamahalakshmi Puja falls in this month. I am planning to share Lakshmi Alankaram the way I do for my puja, as this might help others adorning goddess Lakshmi at their homes. And moreover, all married women do this puja for well-being of husband on the second Friday of Shravan Masam before full moon day. So let's get into the video and see how to do Alankaram for goddess Lakshmi. And this goddess idol I got it from India, and this stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. First thing, I am planning to make a black beads chain for a goddess. So here I have taken the string and I am stringing these black beads, and in after small length here I have taken a gold ball and I am stringing this in between in the center, and again started beading with the black beads. These black beads I got from the bead show at Chicago, and I'm beading them to a certain length. And now here I want to check if this length is sufficient. Now here there is a hole already made, and now I'm inserting this string into this and tie a knot behind. We can use any jewelry that is available, but here I purposefully wanted a black beads chain, so I'm making that with the black beads. And here you can see I'm making sure that it will not come out. So I'm tying knots 3 to 4 times at the same point. Here now you can see the knot is ready, and then I'm going to adjust the length and insert the string to the other end to make it as a black beads chain. One thing I want to mention is why married women do this puja is because praying to Varalakshmi is believed to be equal to worshipping Ashtalakshmi, the 8 goddesses. That is, one is wealth called Shri, and earth Bhu, learning Saraswati, love Preeti, fame Kirti, peace Shanti, pleasure Tushti, and strength Pushti. So all the 8 goddesses. It is believed to worship all the 8 goddesses if we do this puja. And this is the secret behind doing this puja. Here you can see I'm done with stringing the black beads chain to goddess, and yeah, here I'm trimming off the string with this. Here you can see a black beads chain is done. Now I have taken a piece of black cloth and I'm cutting this according to the requirement. Here you can see the idol I had is silver one, so there is no much decoration for this idol. So here I am decorating to give it a good look. You can see here I applied the fabric glue, and I'm planning to tie this cloth as a hair. You can see here the way I'm tying this cloth and folding this behind tightly. And this is a cotton mixed cloth, so I'm tying this very tightly, and this cloth will stick better to the idol after the glue is dried up. So be very gentle while tying this. Here you can see I folded this cloth from the behind, and the other end of the cloth here I am bringing it to the front and covering it until the forehead is covered fully. Now here you can see this is the behind part of the idol. Here I am cutting this cloth in the center and trimming off the edges and gluing it to the idol directly. Wrapping up this black cloth as a hair is a little tricky and time taking process, so please be patient while doing this. With this we are done with gluing this on both sides, And now here you can see I have taken another small piece of cloth and I am covering the top part of the saddle. Once I am done with gluing this black cloth, here I have taken a black thread and I am tying this around the black cloth to make sure it is very tight. Now here I am tying at the top notch of this saddle also to make sure it is very tight. Here you can see I have taken a needle and I am sewing this to make sure it is very tight, and I don't want to mess up after all the decoration. So just to be on the safer side, I am making stitches with the needle also. So with this here you can see our hair part is done. So now I want to decorate this hair. To decorate this hair, here I am drawing lines with the glue, and you can see this lace, I got this from Hobby Lobby. So I am making this as a hair accessory here. We may use any chain also in this place because this is available with me. I am using this. So we need to press this and hold for a minute after it is glued. Here on the top part also I am planning to place this lace. So I have measured the length and now I am placing this with the help of glue. Now here I am planning to make Papidi Billa called in Telugu, or in Hindi it is called as Mang Tika or headpiece in the center of the forehead. For that I have drawn a line with the glue and I have taken this stone chain and I am sticking this stone chain on this line. To make this headpiece more bright and visible, after sticking the stone chain, here I am drawing a line on either side of this chain with the glue, and I am planning to stick the ball chain again on either side of this. Now here at the center I am adding little glue and I am placing this stone sticker here to give it a perfect look. Here again I am gluing the lace on either side of this Mang Tika. After sticking the lace is done, here I am drawing lines with the glue to stick the stone lace or stone chain and give a perfect decoration. With this, decoration of forehead with the centerpiece and the decoration of the bun is also done. So now here I am trying to decorate on either side of the head with the sun and moon shaped symbols like this. All this stuff that I am using to decorate hair as hair accessories I got from Hobby Lobby in arts and crafts section, and a few of them are from Michaels. Here I have taken drop shaped kundan and I am sticking them on this empty space to fill the empty gap here. And now to make this kundan look more attractive, here I am applying glue and sticking this stone chain around the kundan like this. As we are done with decorating hair, here I am planning to place the nose chain from the nose stud to the ear. So I applied glue on the nose stud and I am placing this chain and allow the glue to dry so that it sticks properly. Now here I am applying kajal for eyes. Applying this liner or kajal makes the eyes looks more bright and very attractive. With this we are done with the decorating hair and face. So now I am going to decorate with the jewelry. And finally with the artificial flowers like this. With this, Goddess Lakshmi face alankaram is finished. Don't you think our goddess looks very beautiful with all the decorations? In our next video, I will come up with how to drape saree for our goddess Lakshmi. Hope this video will be helpful. And if you like my video and if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more interesting videos. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. And happy Shravana Masam celebrations to everyone. Thank you.